In this module, we will be covering the Cases tab and the different ways that the case search option can be used in LexisLibrary. We will be looking at searching for a case by name, looking for a case by quote and date range, searching for a case by citation, and filtering your results to find the case you want as quickly as possible. To start searching for cases, we select the Cases tab at the top left of the page. The Cases form has some very useful fields which you can use depending on the information you have or what you would like to find. It has a case name field where you can enter one or both of the parties. This field will only search the title and works in a similar way to the quick find search we covered earlier. It doesn't matter which order you put the cases names into the field, or if you only know one of the case parties, you can enter as little or as much information as you know and still conduct a successful search. For instance, in the cases name field, we'll enter Brays versus Registers. Although the full name of the case is James Brays versus the Keeper of the Registers of Scotland. Please note that there is a drop-down menu which automatically populated with all subscribed cases. This means that when we click search, we are looking for Brays versus Registers case reports across all the case reporters in our subscription. We will now click on the search button. We are now presented with a list of 2 cases. You will notice that you may have more than one case reporter reporting the case. You can make a note of which report you are accessing by looking to the far right column. To access a case report, you can click on the blue link or the title of the case report, and this will take you through to the actual text of the report. At the top right-hand side of most case reports, you will see at least 2 blue links, one for Find Related Cases and another for Related Commentary, which links you through to the related materials. If you would like to print, email or download this case report, remember you can utilise your grey icons at the top right-hand side of the page. To go back to the case search form, simply click on the blue link breadcrumb trail on the top left-hand side of the screen. If you know the specific citation of the case, there is a citation field. You can even enter the specific paragraph or page number if you have a specific citation. Please note, when entering a citation, you don't need to worry about entering square or round brackets, but you do need to pay attention to the appropriate spacing. For instance, the case we have just been looking at, Brays versus Registers, the citation will be 2010 S.C.L.R.202. There's an option to choose a particular judgment date or instruct the site to find cases over a particular time period. And there's also a summary box which will only search the catchwords, headnote or judgment of the case. This field is particularly useful if you wish to find cases which mention words or phrases with a particular significance. If you go a little bit further down the page, you can even choose the court, judge, counsel or type of case report you wish to look at. The court option can be very useful to us in Scotland, as it allows us to select Scottish-specific courts, and when used with selected search terms, allows your results to be more targeted to your preferred area. Let's have a look at how we could do that. Firstly, we will need to clear the details of our previous search. We can do this by simply clicking on the Clear Form blue link on the right-hand side of the screen. If we type in the search terms unsafe, unstructural building, please notice that I have used the and or as connectors. For further information on this, please see the iLearning module covering connectors. We then select from the courts list High Court of Judiciary Scotland and Court of Session Scotland before selecting Search. As you can see, we now have 53 results listed in date order. If you look to the top right of your page, you will see Search Within Results field. This box will allow you to use words and/or phrases with connectors to be more precise with what you are looking for and reduce your number of results. For instance, if I type in scaffolding in the Search Within Results field, and then click on Go, you will see that the results have been substantially reduced and now only displays 2 cases. We will now go back one step by using our breadcrumb trail to the 53 results. To the left of the listed results, you will notice a navigation panel which allows you to filter your results by source name, publication type, court, tribunal, or jurisdiction. You can select the plus sign beside each of these to display the subgroups. The most used item on the left is topics. If we select the plus sign next to it, we will see that the service orders for all of the results listed on the right hand side of the screen into topical areas. So in this instance, 19 are to do with criminal law and disposition of offenders, which if we select on the plus sign beside it, we can see the subcategories to choose from. Or if we select construction law from its heading, we can now see the results on the right have changed, and we can see on the left what subcategories the 6 fall under. When we have our results, we can simply select on the heading of the case to enter the report, or if you wish to see more detail at the top of the page, change the Show drop-down box to List with Catchwords. This will now show the catchwords for each of the cases to allow you to select your chosen case. Please note, however, that not all sources use catchwords, such as Scottish Court Options. Let's return to the Cases tab and the other links which are available there. We do this by clicking on Cases in our breadcrumb trail at the top left-hand side of the screen. As well as being useful for searching, the left-hand side of the Cases tab has a number of links that may be useful. A few examples include a search form designed to search international cases, where these are available on your subscription, links to recent case digests from All England Reporter and the Times Law reports, which get updated throughout the day, and also links to tutorials and help topics. So to summarise this module, there are a number of different ways in order to search for cases in LexisLibrary, which allows you to do broad subject-based searches or go directly to a case by name in order to give you control over what you need when you need it. The main means of searching for a case are by case name, cases citation, or search terms. To assist in finding Scottish-specific results, select the courts required from the Cases tab list, or, when you have your results, select Jurisdiction from the left-hand navigation panel. And finally, when filtering your results, use Search Within Results, Topics, and List with Catchwords to help you target your results. That concludes the Cases Search For module. For more assistance, please see further iLearning modules.